Imagine a workday where you can easily switch between sitting and standing, adjusting your workspace for comfort. Enter standing desks, a revolutionary addition to ergonomic office furniture. The demand for standing desks has increased due to our growing awareness of the negative effects of sitting for too long. But when did these desks first become available? Standing desks appeared in the early 2000s as a solution to tackle the problems of a sedentary lifestyle. Now, in 2024, the market is filled with various options to meet different preferences and needs. In this video, I have listed 5 of the best standing desks available, each boasting unique features to enhance your work experience. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's begin. Number 5. Furmax Electric Standing Desk. This standing desk is best for health office style. It lets you sit and stand alternately, relieving leg numbness and body fatigue caused by long sitting. The electric lift is memory controlled, making it easy for different people in different scenes. With 1/2 memory keys, it adjusts quickly to your preset comfortable height. The large wood desktop, 55 by 24 inches, is fashionable and practical. It's divided into 2 parts, not a whole piece. The durable quiet motor adjusts the height between 28.7 to 46.4 inches at a speed of 1 inch per second, with low noise under 50 decibels. The advanced motor has a longer service life, enduring over 10,000 cycles, enough for 2 years of daily use. The sturdy desk legs are box-framed for stability, and the wide T-shaped foot design maintains stability even at the highest height. It's a reliable and functional addition to your office, ensuring a healthy and comfortable workspace. Number 4. Vivo Desk Kit 1B6B. Looking for best stable standing desk? Check out this. It effortlessly transitions from sitting to standing, offering comfortable viewing angles and personalized heights. The 59-inch by 23.6-inch one-piece top provides ample space for monitors, laptops, and work essentials with a seamless surface. Equipped with a robust electric motor, the desk adjusts from 29.3-inch to 48.5-inch using telescopic height adjustment and features a user-friendly push-button controller with 4 memory presets. The solid all-steel frame supports up to 176 pounds, ensuring stability and durability, while the scratch-resistant particle board desktop adds practicality. This standing workstation comes with a 3-year warranty and friendly tech support. Keep in mind it arrives in 2 cartons, one for the desk frame and the other for the desktop. Say goodbye to prolonged sitting and welcome a versatile and reliable standing solution into your workspace. Number 3. Flexispot ET8W. It is best adjustable standing desk and is worth checking out. It's designed for optimal work-from-home scenarios, supporting up to 110 pounds with its industrial-grade steel frame. The electric height adjustment is a game-changer, smoothly transitioning from 28.3-inch to 47.6-inch at the press of a button. Plus, it's got a nifty embedded drawer for seamless storage of your office supplies. The desk's modern design blends well and keeps things organized. What's cool? It's got 4 programmable height presets, a child lock button, and integrated USB ports for charging up to 3 devices. Note though, USB charging may pause while adjusting height, and laptop charging isn't supported. Assembling this desk is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes thanks to the innovative quick install design. So if you're all about flexibility and functionality in your workspace, this could be the desk for you. Number 2. Marcel MSD08V. I recommend this standing desk for its best features. It brings a classic design with a carbon steel base and engineered wood top, laminated for a polished finish. It's a versatile piece suitable for offices, dormitories, living rooms, bedrooms, and classrooms. What sets it apart is the convenient one-touch adjustment, allowing you to save up to 4 custom heights effortlessly. The electric standing desk has a height range from 27.5 inches to 46.7 inches, catering to your ideal positions. For organization enthusiasts, it comes with a practical storage pocket to keep your tabletop clutter-free. The CARB certified desktop ensures reduced emissions, meeting US air standards and being skin-friendly. Sturdy and efficient, the desk supports up to 176 pounds with a quiet motor, lifting at less than 50 decibels. The 5-year warranty reflects the brand's commitment to a healthier, more comfortable, and productive lifestyle. Number 1. Varec Desk Pro Plus. And the standing desk is my top choice for best overall. The brand is Varec, and it comes in a square shape. The size I have is the Pro Plus 36 electric. Yes, assembly is required, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. What makes it stand out is that it's an electric desk riser. With just a push of a button, you can convert any desk into a standing desk. The spacious 36-inch wide work area can accommodate up to 2 monitors, and it even has a cutout for your laptop and a keyboard tray. The powered lift is smooth and quiet, taking you from sitting to standing effortlessly. It adjusts from 6 to 19.75 inches off your desktop surface. Sturdy and compact, it's perfect for smaller workstations. Plus, assembling it is a breeze. Attach the keyboard tray, place it on your desk, plug in the power cord, and you're good to go. Varec is a trusted brand, and they designed this desk to last. It's backed by a solid 5-year warranty, ensuring a quality, risk-free purchase. To wrap up our guide to the best standing desks in 2024, let's elevate your workspace to new heights. Take the leap towards a healthier and more productive work routine by exploring the links in the description for the latest prices. If you discovered valuable insights in this video, show your support with a thumbs up, share the knowledge with your fellow desk warriors, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay in the loop with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Here's to standing tall and working smarter.